Hello friends, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Hope you like my videos and you learn better. Today we are here with an exciting video. Today we are going to learn about fruits and vegetables and its benefits. So before today, here we start the video. This is an apple. Apple is high in fiber, good for digestion and heart health. This is banana, rich in potassium, helps the muscle function. This is carrot, high in beta-carotene and good for eyesight. This is spinach, rich in iron, good for blood health. This is an orange, high in vitamin C, boosts immune systems. This is broccoli, contains vitamin K and C. It supports bone health. This is strawberry, rich in antioxidant, good for heart health. This is sweet potato, high in fiber, vitamin A and C. It boosts immune system. This is blueberry, rich in antioxidant. It supports brain health. This is bell pepper, high in vitamin A and C. It supports eye and skin health. This is watermelon. Watermelon is hydrated, rich in vitamin A and C. This is mango. Mango, high in vitamin C and A. It supports skin health. This is tomato, rich in lycopene, good for heart health. This is cucumber. Cucumber is hydrating, good for skin and digestion. This is pineapple, high in vitamin C and good for digestion. These are peas. Peas are high in fiber and protein, support digestive system. This is an avocado. Avocado rich in healthy fats, good for heart health. This is kiwi. Kiwi high in vitamin C. It supports immune function. This is pumpkin. It high in beta-carotene. It supports eye health. Papaya, low in calories, but high in vitamin A and C. This is cauliflower. It is high in fiber, vitamin C and K. This is beetroot. Beetroot is high in fiber, vitamins and minerals, supports blood health. Pear high in fiber, it supports digestive health. Raspberry rich in oxidants and fiber. It supports also heart health. This is cabbage, high in vitamin K and C. It supports bone and skin health. Cherries high in antioxidants, support sleep and reduce inflammations. Eggplant, it's rich in fiber and antioxidant. It supports also heart health. Apricot, high in vitamin A and C, support skin and eye health. Berry, rich in vitamin C and K, it supports brain health. This is guava. Guava rich in vitamin C and dietary fiber. It boosts immunity. This is fig. High in fiber, support digestive health and wound strength. Leek, high in vitamin A and K. It also supports health, heart. Lychee, high in vitamin C, supports immune function. Turnip, high in fiber and vitamin C and B6. It supports digestive health. Okra, high in fiber and vitamin C and K. It supports digestive health.